Here's my new method of burning in the Pacmaze boards. I created this little circuit here that simulates the Mr Mrs Pac-Man MPU and light driver board. You plug it in here, just need 5 volts. In this mode here, it's just alternating back and forth between all the LEDs, turning them off and on. They're running at 6.6 volts, which is pretty close to what is on the machine. I've also got another mode here where it'll kind of run the attract mode. I was having some fun with the attract mode programming and made some additional ones